Welcome to the world of trading. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious beginner, trading offers endless opportunities. Today, we'll explore the basics of trading, different types of markets, and tips to help you get started. Hi, I'm Jane, and in this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about trading. Let's dive in. Transition graphic with the title, What is Trading? At its core, trading is the act of buying and selling financial instruments, such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities, with the aim of making a profit. Traders analyze market trends, economic indicators, and company performance to make informed decisions. There are various types of trading strategies, each with its own set of rules and time frames. Let's take a look at some of the most common ones. Transition graphic with the title, Types of Trading Strategies. Day trading. Day traders buy and sell securities within the same trading day, aiming to capitalize on short-term price movements. They often make multiple trades in a single day, relying on technical analysis and real-time data. 2. Swing trading. Swing traders hold positions for several days or weeks, looking to profit from short to medium-term price swings. They combine technical and fundamental analysis to identify trends and potential entry and exit points. 3. Scalping. Scalpers execute a large number of trades throughout the day, holding positions for just seconds or minutes. This strategy focuses on small price changes and requires quick decision-making and discipline. 4. Long-term investing. Long-term investors, also known as buy and hold traders, purchase assets with the intention of holding them for years. They base their decisions on fundamental analysis and the long-term growth potential of the investment. Now that we've covered the basic strategies, let's discuss the different markets you can trade. Transition graphic with the title, Types of Markets. 1. Stock market. The stock market is where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. It's one of the most popular markets, offering opportunities to invest in a wide range of industries. 2. Forex market. The Forex market, or foreign exchange market, is the largest financial market in the world. It involves trading currencies and is highly liquid, operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. 3. Commodities market. In the commodities market, traders buy and sell physical goods like gold, oil, and agricultural products. Prices are influenced by supply and demand, geopolitical events, and natural disasters. 4. Cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency trading has gained immense popularity in recent years. This market involves buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are known for their volatility and potential for high returns. Trading can be exciting and profitable, but it's essential to approach it with the right mindset and knowledge. Here are some tips to help you get started. Transition graphic with the title, Tips for Beginner Traders. 1. Educate yourself. Before you start trading, take the time to learn about the markets, trading strategies, and risk management. There are plenty of online courses, books, and resources available to help you build a strong foundation. 2. Start with a demo account. Many trading platforms offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading with virtual money. This is a great way to get a feel for the market and test your strategies without risking real capital. 3. Set a budget. Decide how much money you're willing to invest and stick to it. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. 4. Develop a trading plan. A solid trading plan includes your goals, risk tolerance, and strategy. It helps you stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions. Stay informed. Keep up with market news, economic reports, and any factors that might impact your trades. Staying informed will help you make better decisions and adapt to changing market conditions. Remember, trading involves risks, and it's possible to lose money. Always trade responsibly and continuously seek to improve your knowledge and skills. Closing scene, upbeat music playing, montage of successful trades and happy traders. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a solid introduction to trading. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trading tips and insights. Happy trading!